Hey everyone, this is Nick coming to you live from the unboxing zone here on the last day of GTEC Shopper 2018. Now, right now we're unboxing a really interesting product. This is the G Drive Mobile SSD from G Technology, and it is a rugged SSD. Now, what that means is that you can basically use and abuse this drive and it's going to be perfectly fine. There are videos online of people putting over 1,000 pounds, it's about 500 kilograms of pressure on this drive, people parking their cars on it, and it works just fine. So if you're one of those people that worries about their drives kind of failing because of being bumped around in the bag or you drop it accidentally, then this is the drive for you. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Gonna get into the packaging. So the version that I have here is 500 gigabytes, which I think is more than enough storage for anyone who wants that extra bit of storage on the go. Anything in there? No, just a bit of plastic. Okay, so now, I don't know about you, that doesn't look like any of the normal hard drives that I would use. So it's very sleekly designed. I'm going to take it out of the packaging here, put it to one side. Okay, underneath we've obviously got the instructions here, how to connect, very simple. The warranty information, simple as that. And then we've got the two drives here. So we've got two cables here. We've got a Type-C to USB Type-A, and then we've got a Type-C to Type-C. So if you've got some of the newer laptops that don't have a Type-A port, you can use the USB-C port and it'll work just fine. So that's good to include in the packaging. And this is the driver itself. I mean, just look at the size of that. If I take my phone, like compare the size of those two, that's really, really small. And just even the way it's packaged, it's definitely something that you can feel is going to withstand a lot of bruises and bumps. And live on air, yeah, I definitely wouldn't want to do that with any of my other hard drives. The fact that it's in a protective case like this means that you really can store your data on this and be completely safe with it, because it definitely is built to take a lot of stress, a lot of pressure. So no matter how you sort of store this drive, it definitely is going to keep all of your data really, really safe and secure, which we like. And with 500 gigabytes, you're definitely not going to run out of space anytime soon. That's it for this unboxing, but make sure you stay tuned for more unboxing videos, or come on down and see us here. It's the last day at GTEC Shopper 2018, so we hope to see you guys soon. See ya.